friends, today I'm going to do a science experiment to explain static electricity using balloons. The materials required are an inflate balloon, a woolen cloth and some pieces of paper. Now take the balloon and keep it a little above from the pieces of paper. Nothing happens. But this time, rub it on the woolen cloth for at least 30 seconds. Now try doing the same thing again. This time you can see the pieces of paper stick on the balloon. Like this. Why this happened? This happened because when you rub the balloon on the woolen cloth, it creates static electricity. The electrons pass from the woolen cloth to the balloon and made it negatively charged, and it attracted the piece of paper which were positively charged. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and like this video and ring the bell icon so you can get my latest videos all the time. Thank you.